Uh, Shall we start now?
Yes, please.
Dipesh, sir?
Yes, sure.
A very good afternoon to the invited guests, faculty members, and my dear students. We are privileged to have with us very learned and skilled professional Mr. Dipesh Anadgar, lead marketing for Veximune Division, GC Chemi Pharma Limited, Mumbai, and Dr. Lalit Lata Jhamam, Principal School of Pharmacy, Parul University. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of School of Pharmacy, Parul University, I, Ms. Dhruvi Prajapati, Assistant Professor, School of Pharmacy, Parul University, welcome you all to the webinar. Parul University and 37 institute with programs in offering a range of over 450 unique structured programs designed to suit the career prospect of every student aspirant. The 150-acre lush green campus is home to over 28,000 national and international students from 56 countries, making Parul University a culturally global destination. The growth of pharmaceutical industry has been exponential. With the world moving towards to the need of the affordable methods of medical treatment, doctor. The Faculty of Pharmacy endeavors to disseminate the knowledge and understanding of pharmacy as a way of producing top-notch pharmacists who are ready to attend the various needs of the industry for welfare of the people. School of Pharmacy is one of the many successful ventures all Parul University established in 2018. Approved by PCI, it is offering B.Pharm and D.Pharm program. We have been always enthusiastic to upgrade and evolve to meet challenges and demand as per the changing scenario in the field of education and technological advancement. Excellent facilities are provided to the students and the staff which boost their confidence. We nurture the students with high degree moral value by imparting quality pharmacy education and training. Now, let's moving forward to our expert session. First, I would like to invite, I would take the opportunity to invite our expert, Mr. Dipesh Anadgar. Mr. Dipesh has done bachelor's from Balchandra College of Pharmacy and master's from Masters of Business Administration, Business Management, Marketing, and related support service in the job from the very reputed supply industry with very known industry in pharma world like Supply, Aculife Healthcare Private Limited, etc. In Mumbai as lead marketing for Veximune to explain the students in depth about the marketing as the scope for pharmacists. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. I'm audible, right?
Dipesh. Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yeah. So at the onset, I take this opportunity to thank Parul University, respected principal ma'am, Dhruvi madam, to you for giving me this opportunity to be a part of such an good series whereby we can contribute to the, for the betterment of upcoming generations, and with our expertise and we can actually help them to grow better in their career. So with that, I would start my presentation. Yeah. So just to give a, my screen is visible?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Yeah. So just to give a quick introduction about myself, I completed my B.Pharma in 2012. Started my career as a medical rep with Cipla, work as at different level in the industry. So started from medical rep. Today I'm leading one division for India, entire India business, vaccine business with GC Chemi. So total I have 10 years of experience both into sales and marketing. So to all the students, you are about to complete your B Pharmacy, and I mean, why? Why we did B Pharmacy, or why are you doing B Pharmacy? Certainly, somebody has an expectation to do something in related field, that is maybe M-Pharm, QC, QA, R&D. But what after B-Pharm? I think each one of us as a student, we aspire that after completing our graduation, we want to achieve something. What do we want to achieve in our, after our graduation? So we dream. What is that dream? That once once I complete my graduation or my studies, I need to purchase, start my job, I need to purchase good house for my family. I need to have best in class vehicle, and then I need to get settled in the life. So that is what we all do aspire after our completion of graduation. But how do we achieve our dreams after that? So to achieve our dreams, I'm sure that as I discussed earlier, somebody wants to go for M-Pharm, somebody feels that I want to develop a career in quality control. I see my career in quality analysis. I believe in research and development, or I will join sales, and somebody of you will say marketing. While I'll say that you can see that why I have written bold marketing, word marketing, because each of the industry or each of the thing that you join in the later part of your career, everywhere marketing is important. How? So first of all, it becomes very important to understand what is marketing. People may use different jargons, that it is a process of explaining, creating deliverables and value to the market in terms of good service potentially. But I believe that marketing is something whereby you need to create a need for your product and place it in the right way to your customer, so that there is a constant demand generation of your product in the marketing. That is the only job of a marketer. Now, of the late, I'm sure that all the students are very young and they might be following some of the people who are TEDx speakers. And I'm sure that last time we all saw the Shark Tanks and everything. So let's hear about 1.5 minutes from the expert that why marketing is important and what is marketing. I'm sure you all are aware of this phase. Praful Belore, MBA Chaiwala. His story is very motivating, very inspiring story. And he started his career. He wanted to do MBA from IIM. However, he couldn't do small teach outside gates of IIM Ahmedabad. And today is one of the, after Modi ji, is the second famous chaiwala. So what does he feel about marketing? Let's listen to him.
मार्केटिंग क्या है? बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। आज की दुनिया में मार्केटिंग आपको हर जगह मिलेगी, धंधा हो, प्रोडक्ट हो ना हो, मार्केटिंग जरूर है। आपके सुबह के अखबार से लेकर हर एक यूट्यूब वीडियो में, हर जगह। बट अब मैं मुद्दे पर आता हूँ कि मार्केटिंग है क्या, मार्केटिंग होती क्या है। मार्केटिंग एक प्रमोशनल टेक्निक है जिससे कंपनी अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को अलग अलग तरीके से टारगेटेड ऑडियंस को बेचती है, जिनको धंधा चले, पैसे आए, सैलरी बांटे और वो मस्त मजे करें। अच्छा, मान लो आपने एक छोटे से टाउन में मोमोज का ठेला खोला है, आपकी बिक्री भी ठीक ठाक हो रही है, पर आप सोचते हैं कि उस गांव से बाहर निकल के आप अपने लजीदार जो मोमोज नए लोगों तक कैसे पहुंचे, शहर में जा सकते हैं, कहीं और जा सकते हैं। अब यहाँ बात आती है मार्केटिंग टूल्स एंड टेक्निक्स की। जैसे मार्केटिंग के तो कई तरीके हैं, जैसे कि प्रिंट एडवर्टाइजमेंट, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, न्यूज़पेपर मार्केटिंग, किसी के साथ कोलैबोरेशन कर लो, हमारे जैसे इन्फ्लुएंसर को बुला के प्रेस रिलीज करा दो, उनको बोलो कि भैया आप वीडियो बना के डाल दो इंस्टाग्राम पे, यूट्यूब पे, बहुत सारे थे। लेकिन अब आप सोचिए, अगर आपको खुद का एक ठेला होता तो आप अपने मोमोज की मार्केटिंग कौन से टूल से और टेक्निक से करते हैं? अगर मैं आपको अपनी बात करूं तो मैंने सोशल मीडिया और डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का सबसे ज्यादा फायदा उठाया। चाय के ठेले पर चाय 5 बिकती और मैं 5 बार फोटो डालता, मतलब कम, भले धंधा कम होता पर मैं मार्केटिंग जरूर करता, क्योंकि मुझे हमेशा नई ऑडियंस की मैं तलाश में रहता है कि कैसे नई ऑडियंस आएगी, वो मेरे कस्टमर बनेगी।
So I think message was very clear from him. He said that if I need to spend something, I would spend that in marketing because I need to acquire new customers. Similarly, for every business and every field that you go, marketing is very important because you daily need to develop new customer set of base. You need to ensure your brand presence is daily felt in the market, in the target audience chamber. And so for that, marketing is must. There are different tools of marketing. Let's see one example. Let us all close our eyes and see which is the brand comes to our mind in the related category. When I say toothpaste, what do we say? We don't go to shop and ask toothpaste. What we say is, "Bhaiya Colgate dijiye na." Am I right? Similarly, when you type toothpaste, even in Google, the first page on images that opens shows top 20 pictures of only and only Colgate, which means this brand in that particular category, due to advertisement and due to various other promotional techniques, has taken our mindset so much of that we are habituated to now say that it's not toothpaste, we want Colgate. Similarly, when we talk about biscuits in the market, what do we say? I'm sure yet 50% of the population of us goes to the shop, and I'm sure Oreo and all, they came little later. But when we go and ask, we used to say, भैया बिस्किट दे दो, और वो क्या होता था? पार्ले जी, इंडिया का अपना बिस्कुट. If you can remember the tagline that they had. Now, coming on to little scientific aspect. 2.5 years back, COVID started, lockdown. The one brand that actually flourished in this market, putting aside remdesivir and other molecules like enoxaparin and other, they were flourishing in the market into the therapy. But one product that actually flourished, and every Indian, believe me, every Indian would know that brand, in the category of paracetamol 650. Which one was that? Can anybody answer? That brand was Dolo 650. You can see on LinkedIn also, even the marketing team, brand managers, and the presidents and others were thanking to the people that Dolo was so much exclusive marketed that they did 1000% of their target in that particular 4 to 5 months. Which means if that financial year target was somewhere around 100 crore, they did more than 1000 crore only from this product. Why? Marketing. Wherever they wanted or they were talking about paracetamol, Dolo was there. Neither Calpol 650, one of the oldest brand of GSK, could do that, or nor any other brand of paracetamol could achieve the brand value or the mindshare that we had. Believe me, while we were going to chemist and asking, "Bhaiya Dolo dena," bas yahi baat hoti thi kali. Everybody, layman, was also aware of Dolo. So that is the thing they did in marketing, so that laymen also could remember this brand name. As I discussed, even also today, when we go for any other thing and we go for shirts or something, we prefer Raymond or Peter England. Why? Those brands have captured our market share in a way, our mind share in a way that it will last for the lifetime. And that is the power of marketing, which we all need to learn. And that's why I believe marketing is the best option as for the career opportunity somebody is looking out. Now, we saw some of the good example of marketing. I'll show you one more example of marketing, which was a disaster. Today, nobody remembers that advertisement, and nobody even remembers that kind of a phone was there.
Hello. What are you doing tonight? Me. Join me for dinner. Sure. See you at 8. One black coffee, please.
Eric's mobile phones, surprisingly small.
Now, in this advertisement, I don't know where what was the wrong positioning by that time. But today, if I can see this advertisement, I can say, was it a tea for advertisement for coffee? Was it an advertisement for mobile phone? Or was it an advertisement of some matchmaking website or dating website? Audience could not relate to this kind of advertisement where there are confusion of messages, where there is no clarity of message. And that's why you see nobody remembered this kind of phone was also there, or nobody even remembers who are they. Or this advertisement is also not trending, even while we still remember Nokia advertisement. We don't remember this kind of advertisement. And we saw the earliest slide while Praful was talking about why marketing is important. I believe marketing is the most important function of any organization, because whatever research and development you do, whatever the new product you're building, but you should know where to position it, how to brand it, and why would someone use it, right? So marketing is the most important function. Without it, many other divisions or many other cross-function team will collapse. Because when you are, or when my target audience is aware about my product, then only there will be an enthusiasm in them to use it, to try it, and thereby I will be able to generate profit. So marketing is important as it educates people about how to use a particular product. Now, why marketing? Well, I was going through discussions with many people over the last 2 to 3 days, and I was taking interview of some of my people. I wanted to make sure that I should give them something in return as a job description of their particular role in marketing. So I was preparing and I got this. So I thought I should add here also. What is exactly a marketing and why you should choose it as a field of work? Because it helps, or it is the only department where imaginations can be made into real. All your creativity can be used in this particular field. Any vision that you have for your brands can be further articulated, well scripted, designed out well, and can lead to a success by building a robust campaign. Marketing today gives an ease of reach by using or by leveraging digital platforms, digital technology. Earlier, what marketing was only print media. Today, with the help of digital marketing tools, you can reach out to your target audience in a quick point of time. And not only that, but with a customized message. When I say customization of message means Mr. Dipesh Anatkat likes one particular thing. Maybe I like an ice cream, only chocolate flavor. But Mr. X likes only vanilla flavor. So when Baskin and Robbins wants to send a message, what they have my database, that is my number. They can send me a customized message. They can send me a customized mailer that, dear Mr. Dipesh, your favorite chocolate flavor brand is now available with us. That comes what, in a second of time. So digital platforms or marketing helps to be more specific. It helps us to reach out a quicker way. Now, it is the only field where your creativity would be considered and they would be, I mean, that would be respected, that would be allowed to play. So if you have a passion within you that I want to build a brand, I want to build myself into a good marketeer, I should be more and more creative. While I should be more creative, I should also understand that if I need to do a marketing for particular product or particular service, I need to identify my TG, that is my target audience. I need to design, form content, full message, and I should be passionate about result orientation. Now, today's, as I discussed, marketing is constantly evolving. Earlier, people were creating social media pages and forgetting about that. Today, we have the facility of SEO and SEM. With the help of search engine optimization and search engine maximization, we could actually reach out to, I mean, anyone across the country, across the globe, and we can pass on our message in the quickest way. And we could also get the analytics behind it. One more important thing is, you go to any other functions, maybe I go to sales, maybe I go to research, development, quality control, anywhere. My job becomes monotonous. Whereas in marketing, it gives me an opportunity to daily meet new people, to use daily some kind of new platforms. Like the other day I'm present on TV, the next day I'm planning for radio campaign, the other day I'm planning on social media, fourth day I'm planning on mobile application, today my customer is doctor, next day my customer is my patient, third day I'm tying up with some NGOs, and thereby I'm traveling across India, I'm meeting new people, a different set of doctors, different set of my internal stakeholders, and thus this is more exciting, more challenging job. Now, we all know who is Henry Ford. When I talk about Henry Ford, his statement was very clear that if you don't spend in marketing, it's just like stopping your watch to save the time. He was very clear that market it, spend in marketing. And today you see every company has a marketing department. Somebody label it as a corporate communication department, and somebody says it is a marketing team. Now, I'm sure you all are pharmacists and further planning to study. My humble request is, you might be knowing Philip Kotler. If not, read his book. Read Philip Kotler. He is a pharma marketing guru for the last 40 years. What he says the aim of selling is not to is to satisfy a customer. And as a marketing team, what we should do is we should figure out his need. So if I know the need of my customer, I will place my product accordingly. Otherwise, I'll just talk about cost benefit analysis, and thereby I will have no separate identity. Now, why marketing is important? Sam Balter says that there is nothing sticks in our head than a story. So whenever you want to market your product, build your brand, you should be a good storyteller. So your presentation, your concept should have a story whereby people relate to it and thereby they accept your product. Why you should do marketing? Because you need to grab people's attention. You need to grab mind share of your customer. And that's why they say marketing is a contest for buying people attention, because the more marketing you do, your competition is also going to do. How differential marketing you do is a game. Now, last 25 odd minutes, we were talking about overall as a marketing. Next 15 minutes, I'll be talking about precisely what is pharmaceutical marketing. Pharmaceutical marketing is something little more involved, little more requires analysis. Why? Because here a team of marketing has to launch product, has to manage the old product in a way that why this product is required to the patient, and how do I reach out to the patient with the involvement of my customer, that is my doctor. So basically, why doctors should write my product in this particular 1, 2, 3 category. So how do I understand that? I need to do patient journey mapping. After patient journey mapping, I understand that yes, this product is indicated in 1, 2, 3 indication. That is, for example, if rabeprazole is indicated in heartburn or acidity, what is the one advantage that rabeprazole is offering over omeprazole, pantoprazole, and over other brands of rabeprazole? How different am I? Have I used sustained release technology or something like that? That is called positioning inside the clinic. Now, in current scenario, pharmaceutical marketing has also become of different kinds. One of them is a branded marketing. When I say branded marketing, is people like us who promote prescription-driven product, whereby we develop our strategy, we develop our marketing inputs, campaigns, gift inputs, long-term strategy, brand plans are developed and made to ensure that doctor prescription for this brand increases and we get more and more market share. Now, the second kind of marketing is generic marketing. In generic marketing, there is no more role of a pharma brand manager. There is more requirement of a kind of a person who knows about business model mind. So which means who knows something about percentage, margins, and other thing. Third thing is FMCG marketing. One of the most booming industry of marketing is FMCG marketing. When I say FMCG marketing, is Amazon marketing, Head and Shoulders, P&G, many other companies marketing team. Next thing is OTC marketing. When I say OTC marketing, OTC products are something which you know over the counters, for which you don't need a prescription of the doctor. So for example, I have a muscle spasm while I was driving, and I got muscle spasm. Now I know what to do. I just need to go to chemist and ask for Omnigel. But how do I know about Omnigel? So the OTC marketing team of Omnigel is creating something new and new daily. You all see on TV commercials, Omnigel ad. Recently, one movie was released, which actually became flop, but was a good movie. Can you tell me which was that? It was made on cricket. That movie name was Mithu, which was a biography of Mithali Raj. And you see the TV commercial that Cipla supports the spirit of Mithali with the Omnigel, and Tapsi Pannu was promoting that product. Now, established marketing concept using celebrity endorsement. But when to use that for OTC component is more important. And I'm sure they got the best in class reach with this kind of a campaign. Similarly, there are team working on institution supplies. There are in the companies, there are 4 to 5 people working in institution team who takes care of tender business. That is from railways, state owned hospitals like VS Hospital, Civil Hospital, other than things. So there is an entire team who works on tender business or institution supplies. The other concept is e-pharmacist. We all see that ad, Urvashi, wala something ad, take it easy, kind of Netmeds and many other Apollo pharmacies are the kind of an example of e-pharmacists. So I take you through some videos whereby you will understand that what is creativity and what kind of an effort brand managers or pharma marketing team puts in. So there is a small 30-second video bite for one of the vaccine which was developed by me while I was working in Zydus. Now, this was a video bite developed as a part of series 1, 2, 3 series of it were developed, and they were posted on social media, doctors' clinic, oxygen TVs, and everywhere. Why was it done? If you see the messages, the message was clear that vaccine is required for all, but children do 1, 2, 3 things by drinking dirty water, drinking the dirty golas and everything, which makes them at a risk of typhoid, and thus they should be vaccinated. Right? So this kind of a message was passed on to the mothers by identifying where these mothers goes. The first new mother goes to firstcry.com, YouTube, wherever they go, this ad was following them with the help of SEO as marketing. Now, one more advertisement I'll show you. We all know a brand name Nicotex. Believe me, the best in class marketing advertisement over the years we all have seen on TV, which is a pharma product.
कौन मानेगा जो 10 साल से सिगरेट पी रहा है बिना सिगरेट के रह पाएगा? क्यों भरोसा करेगा कोई जब 7 बार छोड़ने के बाद 8वीं बार फिर ट्राई करोगे? कौन यकीन करेगा कि आप स्मोकिंग से दूर रह सकते हो, उससे रिश्ता तोड़ सकते हो? कौन बिलीव करेगा कि ऐसी शाम पे खुद को रोक पाओगे? लाख कोशिशों और 1000 फेलियर्स के बाद कौन मानेगा? ऐसे में जब खुद को अकेला पाओ तो बस साथ रखना थोड़ा यकीन ही है जो आदत से आजादी का रास्ता है। ये एक दिन में नहीं होगा, मगर एक दिन जरूर होगा। We believe you can. Nicotex.
Now, this was the campaign by Cipla for promoting that world famous brand Nicotex, which helps in quitting the habit of smoking. Now you see the pharma marketer has done what? He has identified all the class of people who is corporate employee, party popper guys, or a middle-aged man who gets frustrated easily. They all have the tendency to smoke. But they said that you can. Why you can? Because we are there to support you with Nicotex. So this is called positioning and grabbing the mind share by marketing. Now there is one more advertisement. I'm sure you all would have seen this in 2018-19. which further created little bit of negative marketing concept also of Priyanka Chopra promoting breathe free while on talking about inhalation therapy.
Confessions of an asthmatic.
Oh boy. All right, let's do this. Let's do it. I'm ready.
Using an inhaler can stunt a child's growth.
ये वाला मुझे बड़ा फनी क्वेश्चन लगता है क्योंकि लोग ऐसा सोच कैसे सकते हैं. So I'm 5'7", okay? और unless आपको 5'7" शॉर्ट लगता हो तो इनहेलर्स ने मेरी ग्रोथ को तो कभी स्टंट नहीं किया. मम्मी मुझे हमेशा बुलाती थी जब उनको टॉप शेल्फ से कुछ निकालना होता था. So you really don't want that responsibility.
Asthmatics should avoid exercising.
This is my favorite question now because ये excuse ना मैं asthma के पहले use करूँगी. मेरा trainer देखना क्या करेगा. Trainer बोलेगा अरे not at all. You don't call brushing your teeth an addiction, right? Exercise daily. अब वो भी addiction है क्या? तो inhalers क्यों? बिल्कुल नहीं. Definitely not addictive. Next.
It's better to use inhalers privately and keep your condition a secret.
All right, seriously? 2018. Come on. For everything. Okay, so I have asthma, okay? और मैं inhaler use करती हूँ. सब लोग ठीक है? मैंने ये बात बोल दी publicly. कुछ नहीं हुआ guys. सब कुछ normal है. Just like my asthma. It is a very, very common health condition. And if you've got it, flaunt it. Haters go ahead.
Now, why was this ad developed? Cipla was running a campaign called Breathe Free, whereby they were talking that if you have asthma or COPD, you breathe free. Why breathe free? Because when you take oral tablets, it might take time to accept. To show onset of action. For that, what you should do is take inhalers, because since they are in aerosol formulation and they directly go to lung, they offer quick onset of action. And in that also, there are many kind of inhalation therapy comes, Saba, Laba, Lama, everything else. So you use inhaler, and they wanted to break the myth of asthma. That's why they did two things. They positioned right and they used right celebrity. Why right celebrity? Because Priyanka Chopra by that time claimed to be an asthmatic. So that helped to gain, to help them with first thing they got was people mindshare because Priyanka Chopra was there. So ease of acceptance. And second thing, they wanted to burst the myth, which they could do with this question and answer formulation series. Now, this kind of campaigns are rewarded as a pharma marketer if you think beyond this, beyond the conventional thinking. If you have your thinking, which is highly creative, which is result oriented, which is little bit of risk capabilities that you show, you are rewarded and recognized across the platform. Now, this was done by the Breathe Free initiative was done by one of my friends, and the next time he was rewarded on an international platform for this kind of wonderful campaign. So marketers always get the first credit for their success, provided they are innovative, they are differentiated. Now, while we saw that different pharma marketing tools, we saw normal marketing, we saw why should do pharmaceutical marketing. But what I should have to become a pharma marketer? The first point is becoming you should be confident. Where does that confidence comes from? That confidence comes from the product knowledge, which means if I am supposed to sell a paracetamol 650, I should know its content, composition, mode of action equal to the knowledge of my doctor. And my product, I should know more than a doctor, which means I should know therapy equal to doctor and molecule better than a doctor because it's my molecule, I'm promoting it. How do I know that? By reading out the new clinical trials, new research paper on paracetamol, new indications, onset of action, different kind of technologies are being used. Whereby Crocin, agar aapne dekha hoga, 2 days back, Crocin had done something on social media that we are not normal paracetamol, we are something different paracetamol. We are using 1, 2, 3 technologies. So this kind of confidence comes when you know your product thoroughly. Yeah, as a pharma marketer or as a brand manager, product executive, product manager, GPM, PM, MM, SM, you should know Microsoft Office very well because every next day it's presentation, every day it's an analysis of data, whereby you need to work on IMS data, you need to work on AVEX data, internal data, you need to build out analytical skill with the help of MS Office, and then you develop strategies. So for example, I'm working today on an Excel that last month, this was the market for my 1, 2, 3 product. And these are the top 10 competition and this was their market share. Now, how they develop, what market share, which state they develop, all this, if I know Excel, then only I can do it. Financial expertise. Why do they say financial expertise is required in marketing? Because when you join as a product executive to the marketing manager level, any level, you are given a responsibility to manage brand and to achieve a brand goal, which is in crores. So for example, I have a target to achieve 75 crore in 1 year. So for that, what should be my promotional budget? So I am given in the first year of launch, they give me 10%. That okay, we are giving you 7 crore to invest in the market, do 1, 2, 3 campaigns and bring out the business. Next year it will get reduced. The other next time it will get reduced. So I should know financial expertise, where I'm spending, what I'm spending. Am I making profit to the organization by giving them right P&L, that is top line and bottom line is maintained by my expert expenses that I'm doing? Is my product giving me a GC? If I have a product GC of 20% and I'm spending 40%, then I'm making loss. So I should know financial expertise also as a marketer. Now, when I say market knowledge, we should have means a knowledge about where you are going to play, which product, which set of customer, how, and why. That is the market knowledge you should have. Once you have the market knowledge, you should know your customer exactly. There is a word in every pharmaceutical company, they say customer profiling karo. Are customer profiling karo. Please do customer profiling. Why do they say that? If I am into vaccine business, I'm in pediatricians and pulmonologists, I should know why I'm meeting them. Are they writing this kind of molecule or not? If they're writing, why? If they're not writing, why? If they're writing, why they're writing for one brand? Can they write for me? How do they write for me? Why should they write for me? How do I make it important for them to write? Or how do I do differential things that they write for me? That comes with the help of customer knowledge, which you will, when you join marketing, some of you who joins marketing, you will learn furthermore called STP, segmentation, targeting, and positioning. The second last thing that we all should have in pharma is, if you joined into head office, starting from product executive role, you should develop presentation capabilities. When I say presentation capabilities, it's just not about pointing out right language. It's about right communication. It's about right way of making presentation. It's about, you should know where to emphasize, where not to emphasize, when to change your pitch, when not to change your pitch, how to make PowerPoint presentation, as well as what difference you should have in your presentation while you are presenting to the top management and while you are presenting to your downline team, field team presentation. So that you should know. Lastly, what you should have is a strong analytical skill. When I say strong analytical skill is because as a pharma marketer, you have to do campaigns. So for example, today I'm doing a one campaign. I need to measure success of it. How do I measure? To measure the success, I should have developed some analytical or some monitoring template. Whether I'm reaching out to, whether my sales team across India has reached out to 1,000 doctors in one day, which I was aiming. If not, why? How many they reach? What was the outcome? What was the targeted outcome? What is the actual outcome? And am I matching it or not? Whether I'm lacking, where am I lacking? How should I improve? So that kind of strong analytical skill we should have as a pharma marketer. Most importantly, after all this, you should have an excellent team connect with your internal team as well as cross-functional team. When I say internal team, why? Because in any company or even in one company, there would be 15, 20 divisions. Somebody would be in some other therapy, acute, chronic, cardio, diabeto, vaccines, general physician, mass therapy, everything. In mass therapy also, there would be 10, 15, 20 products. So 20 products would have 4 to 5 different brand managers. But your rep is one common. Your medical rep is one common who has to sell for entire division. And they are given targets accordingly. Why would they sell for you? If I don't have an excellent team connect with my team, for them to, they have to achieve number. They might sell one other product more and mine less, and they will achieve their number. So if I want to become successful, I need to first develop excellent team connect. How do I do that? By bonding with them in a little bit of personalized way. Now, what are the different ladders in pharmaceutical marketing? So in pharmaceutical marketing, it starts from product executive. Once you complete your B pharmacy, you go for MBA or you don't go for MBA, you apply into the organization. They interview you, looking at your level of understanding and your experience. They start your journey with the product executive. Then you become assistant product manager in 2 years of time, then product manager. Then if you're performing constantly, they might update you to senior product manager, group product manager, and then marketing head. So these are the ladders in marketing that we can grow in next 5-10 years of the time. Every ladder has a defined set of roles and responsibilities. So for a product executive, they might not be, observed or rated on behalf of target achievement for all India brand target. They might be getting evaluated in terms of how do they execute the campaigns developed by PM and senior product manager or group product manager. For assistant product manager, they also start looking at how important or what is the value that he or she is adding into marketing concepts. For product manager level, he is responsible for both achieving numbers as well as execution, planning, and ideation of strategy. Same goes for senior product manager. When you become GPM, you get reporting of all the downline, SPM, PM, APM, and executive. And when you become marketing head, you are also responsible for division profit and loss, product achievement, value achievement, and everything else. So a marketing manager handles entire division, ensures that for each of the product field is getting promotional tools. Each of the product, there is a campaign to reach out to doctors, and that is helping them to achieve the targets. And finally, the head office target is achieved for the financial year. And it's not like that once you become marketing manager, you cannot grow. Once you become marketing manager, you have a limit where there is, sky is the limit. For example, a marketing manager further becomes head of the department who looks after both sales and marketing. Then he can become assistant vice president, president, and CEO of the organization. Go to Google today and search about Mr. Javed Jia. He is the CEO with Cadila Pharma. He started his journey as a product executive. his last assignment was with some Novartis kind of an organization, and today sir is CEO with the Cadila Pharmaceuticals. As I discussed, that at every level there are good sort of roles and responsibilities designed for each of the designation. You can see on my screen for product executive, what is their roles and responsibility? They need to work on brand management. They need to focus more on strategic execution. They need to ensure promotional materials are reached to the field. They need to go and field and do the market survey. They need to help us in product launch, team training, events. When we do many events, they are supposed to help us. What they should know is they should have excellent product knowledge, dynamic market behavior and competition they should know. They should be good at data analysis. They should be goal oriented, which we all decide. I mean, we all discussed, right? He or she should be excellent communicator. Why? Because you need to, I discussed that why person would sell for me, because I am able to inspire someone. I'm energetic, good presentation skill we discussed. And the most important thing is last line, last word, creative. What new you are bringing to the table is the most important thing, because marketing is 24/7. You see any TV commercial, they are there doing marketing to grab your eyeball, to grab your share of mind, and thereby making sure you use their product at least once or twice. Similarly, when you reach out to the level of marketing manager, there are different kind of competencies. There are different kind of accountabilities they look, whereby you should be thorough with P&L making. You should be thorough with the strategy. You should lead the team. You should have 5-7. I mean, you will be having 5 to 7 people reporting to you. How do you take work from them? How do you ensure rest filled 500 people are getting benefited of it? What is the new product that you should launch? How are you reflecting in the market? What are your strategies to improve your market share? All this comes at a responsibility of marketing head, which he further bifurcates amongst the people. He guides them and ensures that things are done. Now, lastly, second last slide, while I talk about marketing, why marketing? We discussed, it gives you a chance to show creativity. It's an exciting and challenging job, because you get something to do new daily. Why challenging? Because marketing is dynamic, everyday dynamic of the market change. Today you are doing something, competition does better than that, he will grab the market share. Next day you want to grab the market share, you need to be doing something different. You need to be on your toes daily. That is challenging. Yes, when you join marketing, you come into pharma marketing, you are based out of head office. So you get an exposure to meet top bosses from day one. That is president, CEO, everyone. You get interaction with them. Your mindset gets open. You get more visibility. You get more responsibility, and you get more learning. Not only that, when you are at head office, you are given some tasks. You get exposure to meet top experts of the industry, that is top-notch doctors of your therapy across India, because you do field working across India as per the need of the division. Now, when you do all this 1, 2, 3 things, we also give them new people some kind of responsibility. And when you do finish or do achieve your responsibility, there is a leadership quality development within you. There are brand presentations and creative idea generation opportunity. While you do research, while you do something new, you get ideas, you develop idea that, sir, 1, 2, 3, 4 things can be done to increase share of voice or market share for my brand. That happens when you go out to the field and learn. Here you also get an opportunity to be a part, or to be in close contact with R&D team, purchase, NPD. Why R&D team and other are involved? Because marketing is the only dynamic career option whereby you have to speak to research and development, that when I'm getting my product, How are we differentiated? What are the 1, 2, 3 trials we have? Then you develop your strategy. Why with purchase? Because whenever you want to have any print communication, digital communication, or gift input for the field as well as doctor, you need to reach out to purchase for cost factor, negotiation, and P&L. NPD team, while you are launching one product, market is launched already one more product. Can you do a line extension of it? Right? So NPD team, HR team, if you want to drive some incentive part for your product, you discuss with HR. Are you giving profit or not? That finance guides you. SFE team, are your field team meeting the doctors? What is the analysis out of them that you get from SFE? So you get an authority and kind of a job responsibility where you are reaching out to all the department of the organization. You get immediate chances to leverage digital platform. There are plethora of opportunity. One becomes joined as a product executive in a years of time. He becomes assistant product manager. If you do very good, you are very quickly recognized, which means there is a faster growth. You see somebody who has an experience into some other field of pharma, 5 to 10 years, where are they? And you see a marketeer, where are they? I give example of many people, which you will see in coming slide. I give my example. In my 8 years of marketing and 2 years of sale, 8 years of my marketing career, I started as a product executive. I'm a marketing manager today. If I would have been in some other like R&D, QC or QA, I would not have grown this faster. That's why marketing helps you to grow faster. And believe me, it is one of the highly paid job. Why it is highly paid job? Because there's a lot of exciting things to do and people want dynamic people. So they pay you well. That's why marketing is more important, more exciting, more challenging, and most important field you should be with. Now, as I rightly said in the last slide of mine, that marketing gives you both designation and money. So you search out on LinkedIn for the positions in as an associate executive in research, associate executive in regulatory affairs or anything else. You will see the CTC, what they are offering, and you see in pharma marketing a salary of a product executive. Lavish lifestyle, traveling in flights and staying in good hotels, plus the CTC that they offer. The starting salary of any product executive would be nothing less than 8 lakh rupee per annum. And an average salary of a marketing manager in India is nothing less than 24 to 25 lakh rupee per annum, plus incentives if they achieve brand budgets. Let's see an example. Mr. Rai Saxena, he started his career back as a product executive 20 years back. Today, he is senior vice president with Shilpa Life Sciences, and he looks after everything that is sales, marketing, product development for both India and global business. In 20 years, from product executive to the president of the organization, whereby he's looking not only for India, but global responsibilities. That is what Pharma Marketing Authority offers. Now, he guides the sales, the research team, the NPD team, packaging team, that what he wants and how we should develop the business and how we can take company to a next level. Similarly, Mr. Vikas Munar, he started his career exactly 10 years back in Cipla Nurture as a product executive. In 2018, he was the youngest, 2017, he was the youngest of all the Cipla people to become the youngest marketing head for the division, pediatric division Nurture. And today he is an assistant general manager marketing with Torrent Pharma, heading neurology for India business. So that is what kind of an opportunity pharma provides you. So pharma marketing is something exciting, and I would love to see people, many people of you joining this career. And I would love to be in touch with each one of you. With that, Thanks a lot. Thank you for the opportunity. Yeah, over from my side, madam.
Okay, thank you so much.
Dui madam, it's done from my side.
It was
So while they join, I would like to say thanks to the Parallel University for allowing me to become a part of your exciting
audible, no?
career building campaign. Yeah, yeah. And you can reach out to me for any further queries related to career building and marketing. You can search me on Facebook with the name Dipesh Anadkat. LinkedIn, same name, Dipesh Anadkat. And my mobile number is 8980-784-642. I repeat, it's 8980-784-642. And my mail ID is Dipesh, DIPESH, 16989 @gmail.com. All the
Thank
best.
you so much, sir. It's our
Yeah, thank you.
pleasure to have you.
Should I disconnect? Dhruvi madam, should I end the meeting?
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible, but very slow voice.
Hello.
Yeah. Yes, Dhruvi madam, you are audible, please. I think we are done. We should close the meeting. So thank you, Parul University, again for the wonderful opportunity. Thank you, Principal Ma'am. A big thanks to my college principal, Otari sir, for sparing his good time, 1.5 hour precisely here. Thank you, each one of you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, all the students. Have a good day. Have a great career ahead. All the best, team.